I want to say hello to my DP1 and DP2 students. This is Titrations. Some of you are asking about this and how to approach these exercises. So I explained it to you in class, in lessons, but here you will have the opportunity to stop and you will have the opportunity to see in your time and just try to understand in a different environment. So guys, look at this. We have this exercise and we have a titration. I love titrations because you guys can develop many skills, not only math skills and chemistry skills, but also you need to imagine a lot of things. I don't need to draw this one, the one that I always use to explain how we approach a titration exercise. So here we have this diagram. A 25 centimeter cubes of sample of sulfuric acid of unknown concentration is titrated. So meaning that here we have sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and we have 25 centimeter cubes. Is titrated with 0.125 moles over decimeter cube of sodium hydroxide. The average titrate at the end point is 32.10 centimeter cube. So this is the information that I will use to solve the titration. The question would be determine the concentration of sulfuric acid. So H2SO4, I don't know the concentration of this one, so that's the one that I need to find. Solve titration exercises is create a chemical equation. So here I have that H2SO4 because I want to see the mole ratio. 2NaOH producing Na2SO4 plus 2H2. I have used this equation a lot, so I memorize also the balancing. Always when you are approaching exercises, stoichiometry exercises or titration, make sure that the equations is balanced, okay? Now, this part, the starting point of this one will be 32.10 centimeter cube. So 32.10 centimeter cubes. I need to find the moles, but I will do something because we will need more space to solve this titration. You already know that concentration of sulfuric acid is the one that I want to determine. So here we have 32.10 centimeter cubes of NaOH. If I know that because the concentration is in moles over decimeter cubes, I need to change centimeter cubes to decimeter cubes using conversion factors, right? So I know that 1000 centimeter cubes is 1 decimeter cube. So I cancel centimeter cubes, and then I have decimeter cubes. Then I am using the concentration in order to determine the amount of moles. The concentration given is 0.125 moles per decimeter cube, meaning that I can cancel decimeter cubes, and the answer will be in moles. But moles of what? Moles of NaOH. Now, if I see the coefficients in my equation, I have that 2 moles of sodium reacted with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. So I will know now that 2 moles of NaOH reacted with 1 mole of H2SO4. So when I cancel moles of NaOH and moles of NaOH, I will have moles of sulfuric acid. Then I will multiply it because the question is the concentration of sulfuric acid. And the thing is that here, this is a special conversion factor because concentration is moles over decimeter cube. If I have moles already of sulfuric acid, I need to know what was the volume. If you see, 25 centimeter cubes was the amount of sample. So I will put only one here, 25 centimeter cubes. If I finish the exercise like it is now, the unit will be moles over decimeter cube. But I want to express my unit in decimeter cubes, mole over decimeter cube. So I will use another factor and I will put 1000 centimeter cubes is 1 decimeter cube. So here I cancel centimeter cubes and centimeter cube. At the end, when I cancel all the units, I will use on different colors. Decimeters, moles of sulfuric acid. I don't cancel moles of sulfuric acid because I don't need to cancel that one. And there is no another pair to cancel it. Moles of sulfuric acid and decimeter cubes are the one that we have at the end. So this is moles over decimeter cube. So in this case, I will use my calculator now and I will start to do all the process. So I have 32.10 divided by 1000, first conversion factor, times 0.125, second conversion factor, divided by 2, third conversion factor, divided by 25. and then I need to multiply times 1000. The answer that I got here was 0.802, let's say, moles of sulfuric acid. What I did here, guys, remember, I just multiplied on this one, divided by this one, multiplied on this one, divided by this one, multiplied on this one, divided by this one, multiplied on this one, divided by this one. Yeah. The thing is that if I am multiplying or divided times 1 or divided by 1, so I don't spend my time doing that, I just use my calculator. I hope you solve this exercise by your own. I hope you and I hope you understand every of the conversion factors here. If you have any question about this or you will want to practice more exercise, please write me in the comments and I will support you with that.